Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a yogurt parfait today. It's a very easy and healthy recipe, good breakfast or a snack or a dessert or anything. So for this I took this Greek yogurt non-fat plain. You can take any brand, it doesn't matter. I need one whole graham cracker for 2 servings. I took it in a Ziploc bag and crushed it with hand. I just need the crumbs, so I just crushed it into crumbs. And another one I took was Oreo cookies. I usually take the big Oreo cookies, take out the cream and crush them in the Ziploc bag. But for some reason I got these small, tiny snack size yogurt Oreos. So it was hard to take the cream out of those. So I just crushed it anyway, just without taking the cream out, and I crushed in a Ziploc bag. I banged it with a Ziploc. This is a little harder than the graham cracker, so I had to use something to hit that, hammer it, so get into crumbs. And these are 2 strawberries and about a handful of cherries. I just took fresh cherries, cut them into pieces desired sizes. And these are the bowls, serving bowls. I'm just showing you how big are they, diameter and everything. You can take whichever one you like. I just wanted to show you what I took. So first I put a spoon the graham cracker crumbs in there, and then take a teaspoon big of yogurt and spread it on the top of the graham crackers. 1 to 1.5 teaspoon, not more than that. And then I arrange the strawberries all over, strawberry pieces. You can take blueberries or any berries, raspberries, whatever you like. Banana also tastes good, but today I have only strawberries. I have banana also, but I didn't use the banana. Strawberries and cherries, I had fresh cherries. So I cut them, take the seed out and cut them into pieces. And then I put another layer of 1 teaspoon more yogurt on the top over the strawberries, and then layer the cherries. And over the cherries again, another big spoon of yogurt again. Layer it. And then finally, I top it with the Oreo crumbs. It's a very tasty and even healthy too. Instead of eating real ice cream parfaits and all that stuff, this is a very tasty and healthy snack. You can eat as a snack, you can eat as a dessert, or anytime. Breakfast, I actually had it for breakfast. It's up to you. Hope you like my video. Please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.